Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking about the data splitter and why it's useful. This video assumes that you have already watched the video on how to create an OPC data point. Let's get started. A data splitter is defined as an interface that takes a continuous integer data point and breaks it up into an array of continuous Boolean data points. That may sound like an awful lot right out the gate, but stay with me and I'll make sure to explain. We'll start by going ahead and creating our data splitter. Again, we'll right click, choose New Data Point, and Data Splitter. We'll be required to name our data splitter, and in this one I'm going to call it Machine States. We'll also be required to choose a data point that will be split up. Click this open, and of course on this particular machine only one data point exists, so that's our guy. And below we're going to add states of the machine. Now I say states, your data splitter could be used to represent something else, but in this scenario we have a single integer coming in from the machine to our OPC data points, and it is representing what the machine is doing. Perhaps a value of 1 means it's cutting, a value of 2 might mean it's repositioning, etc. Within StatusWatch, it may be more useful to have those broken out into individually monitorable data points, continuous Booleans. Let's take a look. Perhaps if the value 1 is cutting, we would punch in here cutting value 1. If needed, we would tie in signatures at that point as well. Let's say a value of 2 means repositioning. Tool. And let's add one more. A value of 3 is going to be tool change. And there we have it. We could conceivably populate this with a whole slew more. But what we've done is we've taken a single integer coming in from the machine, a 1, a 2, or a 3, and we've told StatusWatch that when any of those things come in, the following should be interpreted. If it comes in as a 1, then that means the machine is cutting. If it comes in as a 2, then that means the machine is repositioning its tool. And if it comes in as a 3, that means the tool is being changed. In this way, we can dramatically reduce the total amount of traffic coming across the wire from the machine by replacing an entire list of trues and falses with a simple integer, and then convert it to the list of true and falses within StatusWatch. It saves a lot of bandwidth, and it makes things a lot tidier in the interface. That covers how to create your own data splitter. Save mine out. It will show up here on the screen. There it is. And we'll talk about data point groups in the next video.